Hello friends, good morning to all of you. Welcome to my YouTube channel NP Shorthand Dictation. Friends, today I am going to dictate you legal passage which is a judgment of Allahabad High Court. So let's start a dictation within 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1 and go. The applicant purchased Kisan Vikas Patra in various denominations amounting to rupees 64,000 on 17/1/1997, from the sub post office situated at Kasturba Gandhi Marg, Allahabad. Stop. These Kisan Vikas Patra matured after 1.5 years, valuing at rupees 1,28,000. Stop. The applicant presented the certificates before the sub post office for enhancement. Stop. The opposite party did not encase the certificates. Stop. Consequently, the applicant approached the High Court by filing a writ petition, being writ petition number 20322 of 2004, which was disposed of by a division bench of this court by an order dated 24/5/2004, which is quoted here and below. Next paragraph. Heard learned counsel for the parties and Sri MP Shukla, learned counsel for the respondents. Stop. Next paragraph. After hearing learned counsel for the parties, we are satisfied with the arguments that this writ petition be disposed of in terms of the judgment and order passed by the court in writ petition number 20695 of 2001, H.K. Goel and others versus Chief Postmaster General UP Circle, Lucknow and others, decided on 25/2/2003. Stop. Next paragraph. Thus, in view of the above, we dispose of the writ petition directing the respondents to encash the Kisan Vikas Patra, which has become matured after holding proper scrutiny regarding its genuineness within a period of 4 weeks from the date of filing a certified copy of the order before the authority concerned. Stop. Next paragraph. The court directed the respondents to encash the Kisan Vikas Patra after a proper scrutiny regarding its genuineness. Stop. Next paragraph. It is alleged that in spite of the direction from the writ court, the opposite party did not encash the certificates. Stop. Consequently, the present contempt application was filed. Stop. The opposite party appeared and filed a counter affidavit alleging that there had been an irregularity in the issuance of the certificates and in the purchase application made by the applicant, as a result of which the genuineness of the certificates Kisan Vikas Patra with the applicant seemed to be doubtful. Stop. Consequently, the encashment of the certificates could not be done. Stop. The opposite party contended that the Kisan Vikas Patra in question was sent from Allahabad Kachehari Post Office to Kasturba Gandhi Marg, Sub Post Office on 28/1/1997, Gandhi Marg, Sub Post Office on 28/1/1997, which was duly received on 31/1/1997, but the certificates is shown to have been issued on 17/1/1997, which could not have been done, and therefore, it caused a doubt on the genuineness of the certificates. Stop. Further, the certificates showed the purchase application register number as 4605 and 4606. Stop. A perusal of these applications indicated that Kisan Vikas Patra valuing rupees 1000 each was issued in the name of Srimati Meera Jaiswal and Srimati Vibha Jaiswal, which matured and was encashed on 10/6/2002. Stop. Therefore, a case of forgery was apparent. Stop. Further, the signature in the certificates showed that it was issued by K.C. Kanojia, whereas the real name of then sub-postmaster of Kasturba Gandhi Marg sub-post officer was Sri H.C. Kanojia. Stop. Consequently, some fraud had been played and that an investigation was under process. Stop. In view of the aforesaid, the Contempt Court passed the following order on 6/4/2006, next paragraph. The petitioner contends that Kisan Vikas Patra for a sum of rupees 54,000 were issued by Sub-Post Office Kasturba Gandhi Marg, Allahabad on 17/1/1997. Stop. These certificates matured on 7/1/2002, and when it was presented for encashment, the Sub-Post Office refused to encash the Kisan Vikas Patra. Stop. A writ petition was filed before this court, which was disposed of with a direction to the Sub-Post Office Kasturba Gandhi Marg, Allahabad, to consider the genuineness of the documents and release the amount if they are found to be genuine. Stop. Since the same was not done, the present contempt application was filed. Stop. Next paragraph. The record has been produced before me, and it transpired that the Kisan Vikas Patra bearing number KVP-25CC-661336 to 661341 of rupees 10,000 each was issued by the Kachehri Post Office, Allahabad, and received in the Sub-Post Office, Kasturba Gandhi, Allahabad on 31/1/1997. Stop. Similarly, Kisan Vikas Patra of rupees 1000 each bearing number 45 AA 385-738 to 385-741 was also sent by Sub-Post Office, Kasturba Gandhi Marg, Allahabad on 28/1/1997, which was received by the Kachehri Post Office on 31/1/1997. Stop. So friends, कैसा लगा आपको ये मैटर? आप कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर बताइएगा। थोड़ा डिफरेंट मैटर था, एकदम हट के। आई होप आप लोगों को लिखते टाइम अच्छा लगा होगा। नए नए वर्ड्स आए हैं इसमें, कचहरी भी आई है, पोस्ट ऑफिस भी आया है, तो आप लोग इसको 2-3 बार बनाइए तो आपको यूज्ड हो जाएंगे आप इन सब वर्ड्स से। सो